Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Today I decide to start a new series called Shape with Me. In this series, I'm going to talk about the shapes of danishes, and I have a plan to share recipes and methods with you in the future. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment about anything, and I'm really respect to your valuable ideas. Okay, then let's go to the video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make raspberry Danish bow. Look at that, it's so beautiful, right? You can impress your customers and even your chef also. Let's see how to make this beautiful bow. While you're watching this, I'll tell you some important points about this Danish. After you shape it, you can keep some time in the chiller for give some rest to gluten, but before you put into prover, you should keep this bow outside until it's getting thaw. It's a small tip for you. In the prover, you should prove it until it's become double in size. Then, you can bake directly. Normally, I'm using rotary oven use 180 degrees Celsius temperature, but it depends on oven. You can choose your own temperature. As soon as you take out from the oven, you need to apply some thick sugar syrup to keep the shine, and it'll give a nice look for the end product. You can use neutral glaze or apricot gel as well, but I prefer thick sugar syrup. Ook done. Finally, need to fill this beauty with raspberry compote or raspberry gel. You can make a hole from behind and easily do it. Ook. Now our raspberry Danish is ready. It's time to taste. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in another delicious video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.